Niggas say that he gon' change but remain the same. Time to let him go, gonna cut the chain. Yeah, baby, gonna end that shit. You need a real one in your life and he on bullshit. Hey, so tell me.
Hey YouTube, what is up? So, yeah, I know 99 is not right here, but she should be back. She's doing her makeup. She should be back shortly. But how y'all been, you know?
Really, nigga?
Hey YouTube, what is up? Hold on, y'all. Let me fix the mirror.
Blame her.
Huh?
I let you do your makeup.
I did do it. Hey YouTube. So, what's up? Like, what's good? Like, why you looking at me like that?
What's good?
What's wrong? Like, I was trying something new. Like, I thought it looked good. Like,
Boy, if you don't...
No, that don't look good.
I was on FaceTime with my boo and he said it looked good.
He lied to you because...
You sure it don't look good?
Yeah, I'm positive it don't.
Like, I thought it looked good. Like...
You look like a monkey.
Let me see. I thought it looked good. Let me just put a Snapchat filter on. Like, maybe the filter would make it, like, look better. Like, you feel me? Like...
No, that... It don't make it look good.
You don't think so? Like... We just playing, y'all. So today we are gonna be doing the ugly monkey challenge, and we're gonna get the people's natural reaction. I'm gonna record it on my phone, and we just gonna see what they say. So I'm gonna do a little acting. You know, your girl could do a little acting, a little shimmer, shimmer, shimmer on, you know, whatever. And we just gonna go along with it. Hopefully Nissa don't laugh too much. But y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video before it gets started. As well as if y'all want to see part 2 of this, Nissa do part 2 of this, then make sure y'all spam the comment section, as well as give this video a thumbs up. And turn on your post notifications if you want, so you know when we upload videos for y'all. So I put the glasses on to make it look a little more sophisticated. So, like, hopefully people take me serious and this don't laugh too much, but
look like a whole snap.
We gonna go ahead and get this started, y'all. So
I better watch your boyfriend. She come and snatch him.
Snatching your niggas, like.
Snatch.
All right, like, let's go, like, let's get it, like.
What it do? Flight crew. FTC. Flight team stand up.
Like, what's good?
Clown, but you cute.
Like a what? Like
what?
Like what you mean? Like,
say you look like a clown. He said, but you cute. He said, like.
What's up?
Like, what's good? Like.
What you doing?
Like, I'm chilling, like, add time, though, like what you want?
Mom.
What's up?
Like, what you want?
What you doing? Where you from?
I'm from Arizona, like, where you from?
Texas.
What part of Texas you from?
Like, Kirkville, like a small town, like an hour and 45 minutes from the town.
That's what's up. Like, you like what you see, like.
Yeah, you cute though.
Thank you. Like,
I like that tattoo.
oh, you like my tattoo?
How many you got?
You know, I got a few or whatever. Like, I probably got like 7 or 8. You got any tattoos?
Yeah, I got both arms done.
Oh, you got a portrait.
And I got my chest yet.
Zam, Zari. Zam. Okay, I see. You know, I got a couple. You know, I got a few. Yeah, I was waiting for that time to go by. Like I don't want to look at your chair in your window. Like hello. Well, fuck you. I'm looking at their chair and shit.
Don't mind me, y'all. I'm a little sick. Might sound like a dog.
He said you cute. What he said?
He said you look like a clown, but you cute though.
Like hello, like take your finger off the phone, like the fuck.
Mommy look cute. Mommy look cute.
Put on that snatch your nigga face with the nigga snatchers on.
Look like you did that Kylie Jenner challenge.
Look, I'm trying to do the side, like put the side on, so like.
Just like, hey.
Like what's good? Like look good. Like
they keep skipping her. They must know you ugly.
Forget y'all. Girl, they all keep skipping me. Oh, it's cool. It's
I
cool.
said it was doing me dirty.
Like what's good? Like what you want? I'm chilling or whatever. You like what you see? Lying like a dog, like. Like what's good? Like what you on? Like what you on?
He said, huh?
Like they not giving us no good reactions. Like these niggas, they just thirsty on here. Like
Oh, that fat nigga from yesterday.
Like what's good? Like I don't want to look at your wall. Like what's funny? Like
I think I recognize that wall because
what? They gonna be taking those screenshots.
they don't do that. They don't be having time to do that.
Shit. The one girl was like, I'm gonna screenshot you right now. She said that's somebody else watching that thing.
Hey, what's up, shawty?
Like what's good? Like
What you finna show me under that?
like what am I looking at? Like the fuck? You ain't finna see shit, nigga. The back. What you finna show me? Yeah, it look more funny when we do it like this. Right. Don't give a fuck about what's going on with my lips. I have all herpes on my lips and these niggas still want to talk like that. They're not here.
They need to go drink some water.
Like, what's good? Like, why you looking like that? Like, sizing me up. Like, what's good? Like, what? Why I'm looking like who? You over there looking like little Kodak. Like, he said,
Look, that's him. Say I know. That's him.
Talking about add me as a friend, but you gonna exit off the screen? Let's say just like this. Like what's good? Like I don't look at your sibling. Like what's good? I mean your face. What you mean?
I'm angry right now. I
Let me determine that. Like, let me see. Let me see. You like ugly? Like, what you doing? Chilling or whatever? Yeah, you like what you see? Straight, like, cause people was like talking or whatever, like, I don't know, like, how old is you though? I'm 24, like, how old is you?
Yeah, I'm 18.
Oh my God, you a baby, like, where you from? Memphis? What part of Memphis? What part? Add time, hold on. Like, why they over here lying though? Like,
That's hard.
like, what's good? Like, what's good? Like, let me see your face. I want to look at your ceiling fan. Look at my phone don't come up, y'all, but I guess to go with the look. Look.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, what? Like what? Like you said, like I look like what? What's wrong with what? What's wrong with them? Like, I thought they looked good. Like, what you mean?
They look nasty.
What you mean? Like,
At some time.
like, at the time, like, what's wrong with my lips though? Like,
He said, "Oh, Mimi, your
they
lips is
looking dusty.
He said, like, they look nasty." He was looking like Clarence.
He said, what's wrong with your lips?
They look nasty. Thank you.
Like, what's good? Like, why you quiet?
No.
Like, the fuck? Like, what's good?
No.
Yeah, like,
No. No.
nigga say, yeah.
Go get another one.
Huh?
Go get another one. You want some? Go
Yeah.
get another one. Here.
Like, what's good? You got the waist or whatever? With the 6-pack, I see you. Like, what's good? I know you fucking like. Okay, I see you. Like, what's good?
He ended time. Psych. Gotcha on here. Psych. Drink it.
Woo, y'all, he played my life. Like,
Yeah, I was so fun.
like, what's good?
Where you at?
I'm like chilling or whatever. Like, what's good?
Shit, Jim.
Like, what you want, an Oldsmobile?
Go get another one. His backseat was looking like that.
I was about to say, you in the Oldsmobile? Look, I'm gonna get their ass good. Like, what's good? Like, what's funny? Like, your face funny though, like,
Did you go to the mall like that?
girl, bye.
I do mine too. Yeah?
Look,
You wanna do it?
I'm like, like, what's good? What's really good?
What happened with your lip?
What happened to your mama lips, bitch? The fuck? Yo, your mom's lips. Your mother. Your
Yo,
mother.
what's good with your lips? What's good with your mama lips?
This
Paper. Oh, you go like this. You got a weekend kiss at it like I did yesterday.
I'm like, arr, arr,
Playboy.
arr,
Oh, God.
You fucking nasty.
Oh, God.
Alright, y'all, be back full of fat. There's 264 species of monkeys. I guess I'm one of them 264. Arr. Arr. You like?
Yo, you cute though. You got my neck?
This is making me laugh, y'all.
There, I didn't even do nothing. I was watching the screen just like you.
That nigga said, like, what's good?
What's good?
Like, I want to look at your wall. Like, what's good?
You should do it like that. It's like, so what's good?
This one got me dead. Okay.
Yeah, like you remember your no?
Like, what's good? Like, I can't hear you. Like, what's good? What?
Huh? This child is so funny.
Okay, I'm gonna get. Like, what's good? Like, what's good? Like, these niggas. I need somebody to do a good ass reaction. Like,
Did you
come
see
on,
Boom Gang's story?
girl. Yeah.
He's
Like, what is that? Like, what's good? What the fuck?
I'm dead.
People is just, I can't. This is so annoying, y'all. Like,
Hey.
Dejan, I'm 26. Okay, Dejan's skipping.
They just said, uh-oh.
Like, what's good? Like, what you on? Chillin', like, psych.
Psych.